Sanibonani, welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Umculi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming, guys. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and lokho kubalekile nje bafethu. Muqala nje kubuka video ngiyacela cindezela like, please. Mangabe subscribe but you still have to like each and every video, right? Sizokhuluma ke umama uRebecca Malope on this particular video. Sabona ingubo egqoka umama uRebecca Malope laphana emngcwabeni. I think kwakumngcwabo, was it funeral service or memorial, something like that. Kamamuzanile Mbokazi egqoke ingubo thizeni ebinhle nje ngizifaka on my screen. Kwashiwa futhi ukuthi uthe lapha namakuku lokukhulunywa ngayo ukuthi uye wathintini wakhuluma ngengubo ukuthi uyazithungela lezi ngubo bafethu. Umama siyamazi, she's a gospel legendary, okay? She's a gospel musician, you guys. She's a queen of gospel. So kuthiwa ke useyathunga ke manje mama Reps, you guys, uspecialize ukuthunga ke manje. Of course uyaqhubeka ngomculo wakhe kodwa ke uyathunga futhi. She's very talented. Hey, mangabe lezi ngubo azigqokayo mama Reps uyazithungela zona. She is very good in doing that. So yeah, you guys take on from gospel queen to fashion design diva bekhuluma ngomama uRebecca Malope. Yazibona nje ingubo azigqokile ukuthi zinhle futhi ngathi akasazithungeli nje yena kuphela, usethungela abanye abantu azathole nama order athunge nje kuthiwa uyathunga and uthunga ingubo ezinhle kabi. Mangizwa ke udaba lwakhe lokuthunga izingubo umama uRebecca Malope, you guys, kuthiwa ke she conquers fashion world in style. Legendary gospel musician makes a stylish transition into fashion. This is ka Daily Sun ke lo daba libhalile ngomama uRebs but Dr. Rebecca Malope, known as the Queen of Gospel, has ventured into fashion at the age of 56. During the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, she began exploring this new career path. Dr. Rebecca, famous for her hit song Isandla, has designed numerous stylish dresses, including the two she showcased at the Summers on Saturday, the 2nd of November. Shoot link what it kuma Summers nayo futhi ngenye izingubo azithungile zona. One of she wore laphana at the Crown Gospel Music Awards founders Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule's funeral. Bona ke le ngubo ayigqoke laphana, you guys, laphana ngaku funeral sambona kakhulu betrenda ngale ngubo. Ubona ukuthi inhle kanjani bafethu wazithungela yona ke umama uRebecca Malope. So hailing from Lekazi in Mpumalanga, Dr. Rebecca told Daily Sun ukuthi she told Daily Sun musicians should understand that their prominence in the music industry won't last forever. In this industry, your time comes and goes. When it's your time in the music, don't wait for things to get worse and become a charity case. Instead, sit down, identify another talent and use it wisely. God has blessed us with multiple talents, so let us use them wisely. Because I love fashion, I'm now embracing fashion design. She said during lockdown, when there were no performance bookings, nothing, she embarked on her fashion journey by altering her clothes that no longer fitted her. So wasesebenza ke ukuthunga nengubo zakhe ezingasamlingani. After that, I bought materials to start designing my fashion clothes and never looked back ever since. Now I design my own outfits for big events even and have many orders from other people. Imagine. Although my fashion line currently lacks a brand name, my family and I jokingly call it Rips and Rips Cotton. But bayibiza nge-Rips and Rips Cotton or Rips and Rips Divine. How, like, it sounds good to me. Yabona ke this one, it Rips and Rips Divine, it for me sounds good. However, it will soon have an official brand name. Basacabanga ke bafethu the brand name, right? Her goal is to have her fashion line available in big retail stores at affordable prices for everyone, including men, women, and kids. Oh, bafethu zinhle phela lezi ngubo, you guys. Ngizosifaka nje on my screen. Despite her new venture, Dr. Rebecca remains dedicated to her music career, which started in 1987. With an 1987 with an endless list of gospel hits. Music is Rebecca's primary career, while fashion is a secondary one. I'll continue releasing new music to worship God for keeping me all this time. I've been in the music industry for a long time and I don't feel rushed to release new songs. I'll wait for God to give me the message He wants me to deliver to His people and then write a song about it. That's what Umama Reps said. Ingubo azigqokelana bafethu ingubo ezinhle kabi, and the fact that uyazithungela bafethu ngempela abeze ne brand name, because wow, Ribs and Ribs Divine for me sounds good, even though bathi guys basazama ukucabanga the brand name that they can use. Uyazibona nje lezi ngubo azigqokile zonke mangabe zithungela yena, that they're so beautiful. I love the black and white one, the one that she wore laphana emngcwabeni kaMamuzane Lempokazi. I love that one. That one is very, very beautiful. Nazo zonke lezi ezinye, but this one is my favorite actually. Zinhle lezi ngubo, you guys. So yeah, uqinisile you guys bethu umuntu akekho umuntu onetalent elilodwa, you guys. You just have to make sure ukuthi you find your talent, something like that. Yeah, mina lona double cover mo Ribs, you guys, kuthiwa ke she ventures into fashion, something like that. Music iyona ke ilokungane talent lakhe laqala ke bese kuza ifashion ke emva, you guys. Yeah man, I'm so happy when I look at these clothes. Oh wow, look at this one, you guys. It's a black and goldish, something like that. Lende liyayigqoke lana inhle kabi bafowethu. Oh wow. Oh, she's good in this one, bafowethu. She's very, very good in this one. Sambongele Mama Rebecca kuleli talent lakhe, you guys. Should ever since nge-lockdown waba busy nje, wathi yazini yakwazi ukuthunga, let me be serious ngokuthunga, ngiqale nje ngezama ingubo, ngithunge ezingasangeneli, ngithunge bese ngiyathenga ke indwangu nemshini nakho konke iqala ukuthunga. Yasuka lapha indaba ye-lockdown bafowethu. Baningi abantu abaqala ama-business nge-lockdown. If you didn't discover your talent during lockdown bafowethu, ayikho into osazoyidiscover. Abantu abaningi baqala ama-business lapho, omunye nomunye wafunda ukuthi do your own thing. Do your own thing, you guys. Sasasitshela you guys ukuthi start your own business, do something, you know. Nge-lockdown babe lokhu beyicula lelo culo bafowethu. Baningi abantu abasiqalela something during lockdown, bathe makudlula konke and then they went on and on. Nanamhlanje ama-business aba just doing well out there, you know what I mean. So sambongele Mama Ribs, you guys, and yeah man, thank you so much ukuthi ubukele video. Usiya commenta ngaphansi ke ushuvo lwakho. Umama Ribs uyathunga ke, you guys, akasazithungeli ke yena manje, usethola nama order athungela abanye abantu, uthunga ingubo ezinhle kabi, something like that. So thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ke nokulike, kubalekile mntaka noma ungayishare ke nokuyishare, nkosi yami, bese siyabonana ke kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.